There is a place on Earth where sunlight has never touched, a world beneath the waves where pressure bends metal, silence is absolute, and every movement feels watched. Down here, life doesn't look friendly. It looks unfinished, broken, or deliberately designed to frighten. These are not movie monsters. They are real, and they raise an unsettling question. Why does the deep ocean create creatures that feel more like nightmares than animals? As we descend past 200 meters, the last traces of sunlight vanish. Color drains from the world. Red disappears first, then yellow, until everything becomes blue and then black. In this darkness, eyes grow larger than seems reasonable. Some fish have eyes so sensitive they can detect the faint glow of dying plankton. Others abandon vision entirely because sight is useless here. Instead, they grow wide mouths, transparent skin, bodies shaped less for beauty and more for survival. This raises a larger question. If darkness erases sight, what does it reward instead? Scientists believe the answer is efficiency. When food is rare, missing a meal can mean extinction. So deep-sea creatures don't chase prey, they wait. And when opportunity appears, they consume everything. Deeper still, food becomes a myth. No plants grow here. No sunlight means no photosynthesis. Life survives on scraps, dead animals drifting down like snow from the surface. This is where mouths become weapons. The anglerfish carries its own light, dangling from its head like a trap. The gulper eel has a jaw so wide it can swallow prey larger than itself. Some creatures can dislocate their own skulls just to eat once every few months. But here's the mystery. Why evolve something so extreme for so little reward? Scientists still don't know how these animals survive on such rare meals. Their metabolisms are slow, their movements are minimal. They live in a state closer to suspension than activity. Life here isn't about thriving, it's about enduring. At 4,000 meters deep, pressure becomes unimaginable, over 400 times stronger than at the surface, enough to crush a human body instantly. Yet life persists. Bones become soft, bodies turn gelatinous, organs lose rigid structure. These creatures aren't fragile, they're flexible. Pressure can't crush what has nothing solid to break. But this adaptation opens another mystery. How does life even begin under such force? Scientists have discovered that deep-sea animals use special proteins that resist pressure, but how evolution stumbled upon this solution remains unclear. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. Then we reach the sea floor, where something impossible appears. Hydrothermal vents, cracks in the earth releasing boiling chemicals into freezing water. Here, life doesn't rely on sunlight at all. Giant tube worms have no mouth, no stomach. Instead, bacteria live inside them, converting chemicals into energy. It's a completely alien food chain, life feeding on the planet itself. This raises one of the biggest questions in biology. If life can exist here, where else could it exist? Scientists believe these ecosystems may resemble Earth's earliest life forms, or perhaps life on other worlds. At the deepest depths, creatures begin to feel unreal. Fish with no faces, animals that merge with parasites, species where males fuse permanently into females, becoming living organs. These aren't mistakes of evolution, they are its extremes. In a world with no light, no warmth, no mercy, nature stops caring how things look. It only cares what survives, and what survives looks like a monster. We've explored more of the moon than this world beneath our feet. Over 80% of the deep ocean remains unmapped, unseen. Every dive reveals new species, new shapes, new questions. Perhaps the deep ocean doesn't create monsters at all. Perhaps it reveals what life becomes when stripped of comfort, beauty, and familiarity. And somewhere, far below, something is still waiting to be discovered.